Hello, this is Bobby at Coleman TV Repair with a functionality proof video for mainboard for Vizio XVT3D554SV. That's the part number you see here, and today's date is 15th of June. I'm making this video as a functionality proof before I send it to a customer who ordered it on eBay. And the reason I'm making the video, as you can see, it's working. The reason I'm making the video is because lately there seemed to have been an increased amount of repair attempts by people who get a board, and then when it doesn't fix the TV, they say that it's not working. And this TV has a well-known and documented, I believe, even in the listing of that board, it says when the T-con board goes bad, many people confuse it and think that it's the main board that goes bad, so they order it, they swap it, nothing happens, and of course they say the board doesn't work, we want to return it. We're going for our yearly vacation in July, and we will be off during the month of July. That's not going to affect warranties and everything, our ability to return boards. It may affect a little bit the time that it may take us to process something, but at the very least, we want to show that what we're sending has been tested and is working properly. That's pretty much it. I am showing some unique markings on the board so that the customer can know that this is the actual board that they will be receiving. There's a label here that may help. There it is, XVT3D554SV. Should you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact us. But please don't say that the board doesn't work. Thank you very much. Bye.